Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you my exercise this morning, and this is a total body exercise, downward dog pose. So let's do this. You can do this 100 pounds. I-estimate ko lang yun sa akin guys kasi mas na mag-work ng mga anak ko. Ito ang isa sa favorite na exercise. Dahil whole body na ang kanyang dala. Pwede mo yung pose ng ganyan, medyo tagalan. Ayan. Ulit-ulit lang. Okay, that is it guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and please follow me. I'm so sweeping.